Hello everyone. Here's the second part of my Tegrity in 5 minutes, so really it'll probably be more like Tegrity in 10 minutes video on using Tegrity and how easy it is. So we just went through the really quick and easy process of clicking on record a class and then actually recording that class. So I'm going to click on my Learn Something New class where I see that the number of classes that are recorded is 1. And that's actually one that I recorded earlier today. So I'm going to click on Learn Something New, and I'll see my original recording of Tegrity in 5 minutes, the one that I made this morning. Here's another one that I just made now. I'll show you the this morning one since it's a little bit longer. And I see that Tegrity has done a couple of things in the background that I didn't have to bother with at all. It's taken my recording and broken it up into pieces that make it easy for somebody to jump around from one portion of the recording to another. If I had run a PowerPoint presentation, it would have grabbed the words out of that PowerPoint presentation and indexed those so one could search by word or jump into the recording by where the words were popping up. And so it's just really nice and easy that way. I can see what it looks like, and I'm going to hit play, and what you'll see here is also what the students would see. And from the student view, instead of record a class, it looks exactly like the same interface. Instead of record a class, it says review a class, and the students could go in, click on the Tegrity nugget, click on review a class, and be able to watch the class session. So I'm just going to click on the play button, and it's loading my Tegrity session. And so here is what it's going to look like. You won't be able to hear any audio because Tegrity, well, I don't think you might be able to hear it from my microphone. But I won't, that's a little bit too much audio. So anyways, so this is the basic interface that it looks like after you've made your recording. My screen capture is here in the middle. If I had wanted, it could have a picture of me or a live video of me talking, but really, does anybody want to see that? Anyway, that's why I didn't put anything there. But you could have that. And then one could just hit play and play through. As one is listening, a student could say it's unclear and put in a little question mark, or that this portion is important. So when they look back, they'll think, this is a section I need to review because it's important. Or they could actually enter in a comment. So I might put that I want to say, I love this. There you go, and add it. And as the instructor, I can look back and see these comments, and I can also jump right to them by seeing where they are on my timeline. That really gives me some feedback about what students are saying about the recording, but also where people are having trouble, and you could use that as sort of a jumping off point for your next class period, or even use it as a way to figure out more things to record on Tegrity as you record little mini lectures on areas where people are struggling. So that's just the simple, quick, down and dirty about how to make a Tegrity recording and how to view a Tegrity recording. I'm just going to show you one last thing. To move around, there's a breadcrumb up here at the top, and so I'm going to click back on my class, Learn Something New, and it's going to take me back to this this interface here. And I want to show you down here at the bottom of the screen, I hope you can see this little actions box. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. A little actions box here. And if I click on that, I can see lots of actions that I could do, including get a class link. So if I am wanting my students to see this Tegrity recording, but I'm not using Angel, and I want to put this link into like WAMAP or even into an email that I'm sending out to my students, this is the way to get the link to be able to do that. So there's gobs and gobs and gobs more I could tell you about Tegrity. There's lots and lots of Tegrity training available through the state board, and we'll be offering more trainings here at Cascadia, and I'm sure for those of you who are not at Cascadia, on your campuses there's training being offered. It's such a great tool, and as you can see, the threshold of being able to do it, it's just really simple, but the depths possible are just really amazing. I hope you take the opportunity to use Tegrity soon.